The most common injuries that we see is usually just postural problems from people who sit down and slouch all day at their workstations. It's called upper cross syndrome, and it's basically a muscular imbalance syndrome that happens with some of your muscles in your upper back and neck area. A couple do-it-yourself exercises to reverse some of the effects of upper cross syndrome can be done with a resistance band. You start with the band over your head, you're going to tension it, and you're going to pull down and in, squeezing the shoulder blades together as you hold that tension. And then you'll release the tension in the band and repeat that 10 times. Our next move is similar to a reverse fly. Loop it around your hands once, nice and tight. We're going to start more mid-chest level this time. We'll tension the band, and then we're going to come back in a straight row, pinching the shoulder blades down and in this position here. Let the tension go, and then same thing. Tighten and row in. Next exercise is called a shoulder blade pinch. We'll start to retrain our shoulder blades to be in a more down and in position, which is the ideal posture that we want them in. And you want to pretend like your right shoulder blade is going in your left back pocket and your left shoulder blade's going in your right back pocket. And you'll just squeeze, hold for a couple seconds, feel the burn in the lower trap, and then relax there and repeat that, usually 3 sets of 10.